If you're looking for an easy-to-use microwave oven that has lots of functionality and looks great, stick around for my honest and unbiased review of the Toshiba Model EM131A5C Microwave Oven. It's 1100 watts, 120 volts. It's about 21 inches wide, 13 inches high, and 17 inches deep. Inside, it has a 1.2 cubic foot capacity. You can see it has a light as well as an automatic turntable. And above, there's easy, quick reference, cooking time information to make it that much easier for you. As I mentioned, I love the way it looks. The top and the sides are black, and then the front is stainless steel. The display is easy to read and easy to use. I won't go through all the functionality. Few things that I like most about it. The sensor reheat automatically senses the humidity in the food that you're heating up, so it will adjust the time and temperature accordingly. It has a soften and melt button, so if you need to soften butter or chocolate or cheese, works great for that. You can even just use it as a kitchen timer. What I use most often is just the one-touch start buttons. So if I need to heat something for 2 minutes, I just press the 2 and it automatically starts. If I only need to heat something for 30 seconds, I press the start button, gives me 30 seconds. And if I want a minute and a half, just press the 1, then the add 30 seconds, and we're good to go. A couple other things I like about this. One is the eco mode. So if I just tap the stop button, you can see the clock goes out, saves power. Then you press any button, it'll turn it back on. Another is the child safety lock. So by pressing and holding the stop button, it locks it. So if you have little ones around, you don't have to worry about them accidentally pressing any buttons and getting it started. And then if you want to keep it a little bit quieter, if you don't want the beeps. So for example, you have a little one that naps, or maybe you're someone who likes to get a midnight snack and you don't want to wake up the rest of the house, you press and hold the 8, and then that turns off the beeps. So again, an easy to use microwave oven that has lots of functionality and looks great. Definitely check out the Toshiba Model EM131A5C. I hope you found this review helpful.